Unveiling Boann, goddess of rivers and myths. Dive into the ancient Celtic world and discover the powerful goddess Boann through this in-depth quiz. What river is Boann connected to? Who is Boann's son, known for wisdom? What act of Boann created the river Boyne? Who is Boann married to? What did Boann defy to create the river Boyne? Which mythological group does Boann belong to? Boann's connection to fertility is symbolized through what? Which Irish goddess is Boann often compared to in terms of symbolism? What celestial event is associated with Boann in some myths? What kind of deity is Boann often considered? Boann's tragic myth involves what type of punishment? What did Boann's actions at the well result in? What is a major theme in Boann's myth? Boann's role in Irish mythology revolves around what? In what way does Boann's story reflect the power of water? What god is Boann's counterpart in many of her myths? Congrats on completing the quiz. Dive deeper into Celtic myths to further explore the powerful deities who shaped the ancient world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more mythological stories and quizzes from Broken Sword Gaming.